So welcome everyone to another Monday night at the Beat. We have a series going on, but first we'd like to give a shout out to our visiting friend and teacher, James Grecian. James is in town indefinitely. We're not sure how long, but he's offering classes and privates. Please take advantage of that. So if you're in the San Francisco Bay Area, look up James. Any comments about the class tonight? Yeah, it's great. Yeah, any bit of advice that might help people, for the leaders and followers?
Just keep doing it 10,000 more times. That's beautiful. I mean, everyone's right on.
Cool. Thank you.
I do get more technical than that.
I'm not being fair, I'm just asking him briefly for his assessment. So if you want more technical, sign up for class. So what is the theme for tonight, for this series?
Transitions.
Transitions, exactly. And what did we do tonight? What was chapter 1 about? How did we start in chapter 1?
Different Ochos.
Different Ochos, thank you. Okay, we actually have ice cream flavors for these Ochos, we never told you. What is the no pivot Ocho? You tell me.
I know.
That's hook behind Homer.
Oh, sorry, that's the hook behind you. The no pivot Ocho.
Nutty pistachio.
Vanilla.
Yeah, vanilla bean.
Okay.
San Francisco. Vanilla bean. Okay, and then when we start to pivot, we call this something else. Mocha Java. So, what is the difference between a pivot and a no pivot Ocho? Thank you. She said we don't pivot, right? Okay. Why do we not pivot? What is the leader doing to distinguish the difference, to make the difference apparent to the follower, to communicate?
Rotating the shoulders.
What's the basic idea with the body? What's the body doing?
Just shifting weight.
Not bigger.
For no pivot Ocho?
Not rotating.
Do not twist.
Yeah, do not rotate or twist the body. Okay. The relationship is once my spine turns, the follower does what?
Pivots.
Pivots, good. It's third week now, we've said it almost every week. So we're going to work on this, right? That was the basis. There were 3 phases of chapter 1. The first one was very what?
Close.
Good, very close with a no pivot. And then what was phase 2?
Intermediate.
Yes. In the intermediate, what did we do?
Release the embrace a little bit.
Yeah, and what did we call that embrace space?
Cradle.
Yeah, the cradle. Followers?
So followers, how do I know that it's time to make those pivots? So we're dancing, he's leading no pivots. How do I know that it's time to pivot? What do I feel?
And he starts to move his chest.
Yes, so he releases his right arm, he releases his embrace a little bit. He also starts to bring his chest back, and he also starts to rotate his spine. Yeah? Okay.
All right. We're going to do a demo, but you can plug in if you want, or I'll do it off my computer.
Yeah, off your computer, I think it's great.
Okay.
Do you want me to start it?
No, just one more second. And then when we go fully open, what do we do, leaders? When do we time this? Actually, on any Ocho, when we want her to pivot, our follower to pivot. What's the timing?
Torsion. At her maximum torsion.
Yes, maximum torsion, which is somewhere in what part of the step?
When the shirt is wrinkly.
When the shirt is in the middle of the step. Good. I like this. Okay, and finally in chapter 2, if we have all of this, what's a nice reward?
Just secret overturned.
Yeah, the overturned. This might be like a little bit of Rocky Road. Okay, Chunky Monkey. Depends how much energy you put into it, okay? But if you put a little bit more of an impulse into the floor, you can get your partner, her Ocho factory, to react more, okay? And kind of whip around, or you can actually go quite slowly. But leaders, in either case, what's our pattern?
Behind you on the box.
Yeah,
90 degrees.
90 degrees, or a little further out. If you go tighter than 90 degrees, you jam followers, back sacadas. That's your general rule.
Followers, so when we are being led in the pivot ocho, so our embrace is in the open embrace. What's the general rule to remember about our own embrace? What does our embrace feel like?
It's mimicking the letters.
Yeah, but what is...
Flexible?
Yes,
Elastic.
our embrace is flexible and elastic, yeah? It's always changing, it's not fixed in one position. Okay.
All right, here we go.